Now here is how you can see old images on Google Maps on your iPhone or Android. It kind of works the same. So let me show you and guide you through it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So we can at first open up the Google Maps like this. And of course, we have the ability to zoom in to multiple different places, right? Let me just show just some random city, whatever, right? And I essentially want to show you how you can switch to the street view, right? So you hold it down on any street where it's available, right? Like this. And you have the ability to go to this street view mode, which kind of like pops up like this. So as you can see, it kind of loads up, you can move around, it's fine, but in the top left corner, if I zoom it in slightly, you can see that it's from June 2024, which is kind of recent and it's not it hasn't been updated in like 2 years, but you can still go back in time, because if I swipe up like this, you can see I have the ability to see more dates. And when I tap on it like this, you can see that I have the October 2024, June 2024, but I can go back in time. I can go to December 2023. If I tap on it, it's the same street, right? So you can see how it got developed perhaps, or see the changes in the street, or just basically see how it changed throughout the time. But you can go even further. It depends on the city and the coverage, but you can kind of like go back in the time and go as far as like you can see 2007, right? So that's kind of a huge jump, right? So that's how you can go back in time and see like the old images within the street view of Google Maps, which is actually great. I love this feature a lot. It's great for exploring, or just like a fun feature. But that's the first thing, because outside of the street view, we also have the satellite view, right? So you can switch the layers in Google Maps to satellite, but inside in here, we don't really have the ability to go back in a time. If you want to browse older satellite images, you, instead of getting the Google Maps app, you can get the Google Earth app. Or you should actually get it in addition to the Google Maps, because they are both good, right? So you get the Google Earth, obviously made from Google as well. You get inside, and this app is kind of like different because it is more for like browsing and exploring, right? So you get inside, you can tap on explore the Earth, whatever, right? You zoom out and find any place you want, like this. So let me just come back to some random city, whatever it might be, right? And I'm basically gonna zoom in like this. But if I click on the layer option like that, you can see that I have the historical imagery. So I can basically enable it like this, and as well go back in time. So as you can see, I have the satellite images from 2025, but I can go back in time and, you know, go as far as 1985 in this case and see what the images captured back then. So that is how you can go back in time and see kind of like the old images, but inside of the satellite view. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Just hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.